whiti nuku, whiti rangi, whiti papa, whiti tau. Tuta mahora nui, tuta mahora roa, tuta mahora nui a te tūnei. Turu o ki waka maua ka tīna. Tīna. Haukie, hui e taiki. So today was the second ceremony we undertook, with the first one at Dart River, and it was really about us formalising the gifting of the names that our whakatipu, papatipu marae, mana whenua have gifted to these companies. So it was the ceremony to officially name our waka. All the names, they represent all the significant land features of the region, our maunga, our awa, and those waterways that connect to our mahi, but also that connect to all our papatipu marae throughout Te Murihiku.
I'm just really excited to be here and to see this happen. You know, it's been probably 3 or so years since we started talking about how we can do this, and it's been a really deep and engaging process with the mana whenua in terms of getting that right. So, and when you take that time and you do it right, you get a richer result. We talk about making the connection to our manahiri through our people to the place and to Ngāi Tahu, and this is an important part of that process.
Initially started through a conversation in the Whakatipu Accord hui, where myself and Mr. David Higgins were appointed as a working party, just to give a bit more thought and consideration to some names. So we came to this point today where we have these beautiful names restored. You'll see them on all our waka, and it'll become part of I guess part of the culture of the business. Our drivers will speak of these names. They'll be shared with over 1 million people a year, and they'll be known by our own people here too.